Very unique knife. First I'll do the serrated to show you it works. Feel how sharp your serrated is right now and you'll tell the difference.
It's not.
Not at all. Watch this. I'm the only sharpener doing a serrated knife. It makes a vibration, shatters it up through the teeth. No metal comes off. A little dirt came out, but...
Of course.
All the way through the tooth. You feel much sharper than feel.
It's getting there, yeah.
I'm gonna hit her up some more there, and I've done lots of different styles, serrations, found out I can do all of them. It will not hurt none of them. That'll work better now, watch this. Oh yeah. Now on the smooth edge, you'll put it on the edge of the table, squeeze it tight, draw through. As long as you got some bevel left, the rods will pick up on it and bring it back to the original cutting edge. Being a round flexible pin, you can pick up any edge, any angle. Let's see what we got here. Not quite, almost.
Like I said, I've had it a while. And
oh yeah, this is a good dull one. This is a good example.
It's been through hell and back.
It's going to cut good that way. See if I can split paper yet. There it is. That's toughy. Now we get the hook bills. You can do some of them, not all of them. This is how I do these. You got to push in and twist the rod a little bit while you do it.
Yeah, because that part right there is good for seat belts.
Right.
You know,
gutting.
Lips. Well, the side of the jaw anyway.
Let me see if that'll split it now.
Like I said, the knife's been through hell and back.
It's hard to cut like that, yeah. It'll cut it. See what I mean?
Yeah.
But
what are those runs?
That was a toughie.
How much are the sharpeners?
I do them $20 each, 2%.